We know more than 100 people have been reported dead and dozens of others are still missing, including a group of 10 young girls who were at Camp Mystic, a camp that is located along the Guadalupe River, the same river that you see behind us, and that today, going into 4 days after, this disaster looks a lot different than it did even just a few days ago. As more time passes, hope turns to grief as families desperately search for loved ones who were lost in the floods. What started as rain early Friday morning quickly turned deadly in central Texas as the Guadalupe River rose more than 20 feet in less than 2 hours, bursting its bank, sending water and debris smashing into homes and tearing down trees. Federal and local agencies and volunteers are scouring areas by boat and air, looking for survivors. But with so much wreckage and more rain in the forecast, it's a challenging and dangerous task. One of the hardest hit areas when the floods struck. At the heart of this tragedy, Camp Mystic, a Christian girls' camp where more than 24 campers and counselors have been confirmed dead. The camp sits next to the Guadalupe River, making it hard for crews to rescue them.
And the death toll continues to rise inexorably. Emergency services and volunteers have been out by the camps ever since the floodwater hit, walking the trails, looking for the missing girls. Debris still scatters the huts at Camp Mystic, where the girls were staying for the Independence Day holiday weekend. And there are parents who still do not know where their children are. More than 800 people have already been rescued in the past days, though many did not make it. Conditions continue to be challenging for the rescue teams, with more warnings about further rain and potential flooding. Local officials say they're doing everything they can. This tragedy is far from over, and while this devastated community continues to come to terms with its loss, it's also starting to ask questions about how it could have been caught so off guard by this torrential flood.
As you can see, flood water raises up to 20 feet.
Like,